Good afternoon. Welcome to Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great barbecue recipe for you, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. So let's light the fire and let's get going. We're going to use French's yellow mustard as a slather today, and we're going to hit it with this Kosmo Q Cow cover. And we're also going to come back later with some fresh ground black pepper. This brisket is already trimmed. Please check the description for my trimming brisket video, and also check out the beef tallow video. I take all the brisket trimmings and fat and smoke it on the smoker and make a great smoked beef tallow. All right, guys, I'm rubbing this brisket down with the yellow mustard, and then we're going to hit it with this Kosmo cow cover. We're going to hit both sides of this, and we'll go from there. And now we're about to hit this brisket with some fresh ground black pepper. We're going to do this on both sides. We're putting it on there very heavy. This is a large piece of meat. It can hold it. It's going to be on the smoker for anywhere from 9 to 12 hours, just depending. So we're going to lay it down very heavy. There you have it. She's all seasoned up, ready for the smoker in the next morning. Here we have it. It's 4 in the morning. The next morning we have this brisket on the smoker. We're going to run our low from anywhere from 250 to 275 for the first hour. Then after that, we're going to crank the heat up to 300 to 375. Hey guys, here we are at the 4 hour mark. Man, this brisket is coming along good. The Shirley Fab smoker is running very good. Everything's looking good. We're going to shut her down and keep on rolling. Here we are at the 6 hour mark. Man, this brisket is cooking great. It's smelling great. The cooker is running awesome. I'm running anywhere from 350 to 400 degrees. No issues at all. I was almost ready to wrap, but I do have a small wet spot right here on this flat, so I went another hour before I wrapped. In the comments below, tell me how you guys wrap your brisket. Do you go naked? Do you go butcher paper? Do you go foil? Do you do the boat method? Let me know below, and whichever method gets the most votes, I will cook my brisket with that method the next time. Hey, just a quick recap. I do not have a water pan in the smoker, and I did not spritz this brisket at all the entire cook. No water pan, no spritzing, and we'll see the results at the end. She's wrapped, and we're about to finish wrapping this up, and we're about to get this back on the smoker and let it finish cooking. Man, the smell is awesome. The Shirley Fab is running great, and we're about to finish up this cook. And I'm ready to taste this brisket, get it sliced, and get it going. But here we are. We're about to close it up and get it back on. It was wrapped on the smoker for another 2.5 hours, and here we are. We're unwrapping it. I let it rest for 2 hours on the counter, and then another hour in the oven with no heat at all. So man, this smells so good, and it's going to be good. I removed the point off and just sliced the point separate and sliced the flat separate. So here we are. Man, this brisket was slicing very well. Like I said, I separated the point from the flat. This flat is looking good, slicing well. I'm a hot and fast guy. The first hour I cook anywhere from 200 to 275. Then after that, I go to the 300 to 375 range with a mix of hickory and oak wood. The flat was very moist, very tender. Oh man, it was awesome, man. It tasted great. That black pepper and that cow cover very brought this brisket out with this prime beef. It was awesome. Here is the main event, slicing of the point. Everybody, I know you guys been waiting for. I'm going to slice it down the middle, and that way we get some nice smaller slices, little nuggets, I call them, brisket nuggets. And man, this was awesome. The color and the richness and the fat, all the fat rendered out. It was nice and juicy, but no heavy, thick fat. Look at the smoke ring in color. Man, looks great. I'm going to get this chopped up, sliced up, and I'll be right back. This brisket turned out great. That cow cover along with that fresh black pepper was awesome. Guys, please comment. I answer all my comments. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to see more Shirley Fab videos of me cooking on this awesome smoker, please subscribe. Until next week, cook, barbecue 24/7.